when I opened up my TPT dashboard. I could not believe it. Hey, if we haven't met yet, I'm Phoenix and I'm the Tattooed Piano Teacher. And I started my Teachers Pay Teachers store in April of 2023. I made an income report at the 6-month mark. And if you want to watch that, go ahead and watch that first and then come back here. I was not expecting to make another TPT income report until after my first year. And I thought that would be cool to look over the first year, like April 2023 to April 2024. However, I had to make this video because October, November, and December were crazy. I still can't believe it. I am so excited that I had to share this with you. If you just started a Teachers Pay Teachers store, I want you to know what's possible. It is just really exciting to me, and I love watching other people's income reports, so I hope that this is inspiring. So just a very, very quick recap. I'm actually just gonna summarize the numbers from my first 6 months. So in April, and I started my store halfway through April, I sold 3 products. I made $3. Woohoo! In May, I sold 7 products, and I made $5. And at that point, I was a little discouraged because I had quite a few products in my store. I did not have the premium account yet, but I had faith in myself. And at the beginning of June, I got the TPT premium seller account. So in June, I sold 9 products and I made about $20. July, 4 products, $25. And August is when I first hit my goal of making $50 a month. I sold 14 products in August and I made $50. It was actually just under $50, but close enough. In September, I sold 18 products and I made $60. So I was like, yeah, living the dream here. So first 6 months in total, I sold 55 products. I made $150 on TPT in the first 6 months of my store being open. All right, so now let's get to quarter 4. Well, actually quarter 4 started in September, but October 1st is when things actually started to really, really change for me. Before I give you numbers, go ahead and hit that like button if you like TPT income reports. So if you're into that, hitting that like button will let me know to make more stuff like this. All right, so October. I was expecting to hopefully hit that $50 mark again. I knew Halloween, I had a lot of Halloween resources, so I was excited to see if we could maybe get past that $50 mark again, maybe make more than September, which was about $60. When I opened up my TPT dashboard that first week in October, I could not believe it. It had only been like 7 days into October and I'd already blown my $50 goal out of the water. At that point, I started opening up my dashboard every day in October. It was so exciting to see that number go up and to see my Halloween resources take off. So here's the stats. In October, I sold 50 products and I made $246.96. I couldn't believe it. I thought, this is a fluke. This is just, people liked my Halloween resources. It's gonna go way down in November because y'all, I only had 1 Thanksgiving resource. So I was like, well, we're gonna push that 1 Thanksgiving resource, but I don't have any other ideas for November. So it is what it is. In November, I sold 61 products and I made $240.02. So I almost matched my October total. I was like, okay, so it wasn't a fluke. Let's see how December goes because I had a lot of Christmas resources. And that's actually part of that November total is from people buying Christmas resources on the last week of November. Anyways, here we are, December 30th as I'm recording this. As of right now today, I just checked, I have sold 83 products in December. The total as of today is $365.77. So in these last 3 months of the year, October, November, December, in all, I sold 194 products and I made $852.75 just in those 3 months, $850. compared to the $150 I made in the first 6 months. So things are growing. I know that there are people out there making 5-figure months on TPT, and I know that I'm nowhere near being able to pay my rent off of TPT. Right now we're talking about grocery money, okay? But hey, I will take it. I will say that I haven't just been sitting back taking bubble baths watching the money roll in. I have been working my ass off getting products up on TPT. I believe I have 74 products in my store as of today. At the 6-month mark, I can't remember what I had, but if you watch that video, it'll say. But I have been making products, quality products, time-consuming products, day and night. I've been staying up till like 1 a.m. working on products. I've been putting in the work, but just to see that little bar go up and up and up is so, so exciting. All right, so watch for a video about how I grew the store from September making $60 to October making 3 figures. I have some ideas about exactly what things I did and what changes I made and what I spent my time on that actually made the difference. So I'd love to share that with you too. Once I get that video made, I will put that here and put that link in the description as well. Consider subscribing so you can check out any future TPT income reports, follow along with my journey in that. And if you're a piano teacher, I have lots of other good content that you will enjoy as well. And keep an eye out for a 1-year report when we get to April. I'll share my first 12 months on TPT.